Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker symbol MMAT or MetaMaterials Inc. Just looking at some of the recent news stories here. MetaMaterials today, well this would have been yesterday, provided an update on the special Series A preferred stock dividend in relationship to the oil and gas assets and the planned sale or spin out of these assets for the benefit of the Series A preferred stockholders. So it says here, in conjunction with the release of the Q3 and 9-month 2021 financial results on October 15th, 2021, Meta provided an update on the company's oil and gas assets and operations. We indicated that 4 wells must be drilled in the Oro Grande project in 2021 to enable the company to hold the lease for sale or spinout. As part of our December update, the operations are well underway and the drilling is on track for completion later this month. The company believes that upon completing the work on these 4 wells, Meta will be in compliance with all aspects of its lease obligations and the CDC continuous drilling clause, so that's not the Center for Disease Control there, with university lands on the Oro Grande project will be satisfied. It says completion of this work, the company believes, enables us to move to the next steps in the spin-out process for these assets. This work includes, but is not limited to, formal transfer of the assets to OilCo Holdings, a newly formed, wholly owned subsidiary of Meta, ensuring that the OilCo capital structure supports a spin-out and making any necessary filings with the SEC. Meta is in the process of finalizing the permanent arrangements with a completely new management team for OilCo, who brings significant experience in oil and gas exploration as well as specific experience in the Oro Grande region. This team is already consulting to OilCo and operating the Oro Grande project and has been very valuable to our efforts during the drilling process. So let's check out some price action here on MetaMaterials, and like a lot of things, not pretty on Friday. And actually, let me go to the 15. I'm on the 1 hour here. Yeah, 50-minute chart is showing downtrend overall. I mean, the price was up around $4, and now we're down to about 3. So 15-minute chart is definitely showing a downtrend. No real signs here of recovery at this point. And then again to the 1 hour, we saw kind of the same thing. Yep, this chart is pretty much in a downtrend the entire time, making lower lows and lower highs. Let's check out the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, this gives you a little better picture of where this thing might find a bottom. So you can see right here in August, it bled down to around this 283, 290 level or so. Let me zoom in a little bit. You can see here my trend reversal indicator way back in late August threw up a buy signal there and threw up a stop loss line around 285, 290. So it's approaching a pretty key level right now as this thing continues to bleed and move away from the 21-day EMA. I would keep an eye on that level right there. That could be the point where this thing bounces as it retraces to around 290. Keep an eye there. If it has a nice bounce off of that and the buyers really step in and support that price, I think it can make a run up at that 21-day EMA. If it sells through that level, and can't hold 290 and continues to bleed, then I think it's going to get pretty ugly, because as you see here, you have this level, and then you don't really have anything that looks like much support past that on this time frame. I mean, you do see a low of 85 cents here. Let's take a look here at the weekly chart. Yeah, you don't see anything else higher really above that. I mean, the weekly chart shows a low of 42 cents. So yeah, I'm just definitely keeping an eye on this 290 level. If it doesn't hold this 290 level, this thing is going to have a significant drawdown. So, but if it can reject that 290 level nicely and the buyers can step back in and support that, I think it can make a good move higher. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated on ticker MMAT or MetaMaterials Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.